Hello, fellow traders. That's I'm happy that sometimes you're sitting in a community of people. They tell you things like, "Hey, watch out for Bitcoin." Um, I do think it's gonna go down for a few days. The first level will be like 40.74 if we're not closing today's high, um, and it's gonna go down until at least next Wednesday. Well, it depends because today's might be a high, on the 15 it's gonna be a low. But if you take the low or this low, right, whatever it's gonna be, then it's gonna move to the Wednesday. That's on daily. On the weekly, this keeps looking good for next week, but indicators are kind of turning short. So my gut feeling is telling me it's gonna go down, but then it's gonna bounce up back until December, like a reaction change. So today might be the the high. You'd be the judge of it and see by yourself. But there are always trades to make. Um, Look at this nice thing that did what, almost 40% since first day 10th. So that's what I'm saying. If you lose one opportunity, it doesn't mean that you don't know how to trade. It just means that you just lost one opportunity. That's all. If you're in for the long run, trade small, take your gains, move on, and this will make you more successful in it. All right. Good luck.